Today we're gonna have a preview tour of this brand new modern home here in La Residencia, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Beginning with your 2 carport garage, kasyang-kasya pong ating SUV. And this house comes with your PWD friendly entrance. As you can see, pagpasok natin, this is actually fitted for your wheelchair access. And you have a solid wood door as you enter the property. By the way, this property sits in a lot area of 210 square meters and yung floor area ng buong bahay is 238 square meters. This is your living space. The whole house is already semi-furnished. You have an option to keep the furnishing or not depending on your negotiations with the owner. So this is your living area or your dining area which can actually be extended to 8 seaters. And dito rin yung ating kitchen. And sa likod, meron tayong maid's quarters with its own toilet and bath. And dito rin sa baba, you also have an ground floor bedroom na may sariling toilet and bath. So, akit tayo sa second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have 3 bedrooms, starting with your family area with its own balcony, which can be converted to another bedroom. This is actually already staged, but these furnitures can come inclusive of the sale. Now, let's go to the master's bedroom. By the way, we're gonna pass by our stairs, which has a very big space and magandang chandelier dyan. And this is your master's bedroom. Your master's bedroom is quite spacious. You can fit your king-size bed or even a customized bed. You have a lot of cabinetry on this side and more cabinetry on the other side of the bedroom. And hindi lang yun, you have a very lengthy toilet and bath with your his and her sink. You have your mirror here and meron ka ding shower dito. So if you would like to see the full house tour of this property, you can go on our YouTube channel.